Hey there, it's Apostle Dwann here in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm the founder of Gicmp. I want to tell you a little bit more about our Prophetic Preachers Bundle. It's a prophetic preachers bundle created specifically for those of you who are prophetic preachers and prophetic teachers. You may or may not have gone through seminary, and you may or may not have been taught about how to deliver God's prophetic revelation in a sound manner and combine that in a way that also has you delivering in a prophetic way as well. So here's what you get. You get our prophetic boot camp, which is 8 modules. It talks about the foundation of the prophetic as it relates to prophetic ministry in this 21st century, the do's and don'ts, and what prophetic ministry is and what it isn't. We also give you prophetic homiletics, which is 12 modules. And in that, you learn about homiletics, hermeneutics, prophetic delivery, prophetic demonstration, and what it takes to really prepare a prophetic sermon, what that looks like. I give you all kinds of examples and samples as well. Of course, you have homework in all these as well. And then you also get your prophetic mantle, which is 3 modules, just about embracing your prophetic mantle and how you can be in a more effective prophetic minister, prophetic voice as you embrace who God has called and assigned you to be. Plus, as a bonus, I throw in Prophets of the Bible 101. It's a spectacular series. I talk about female prophets, musical prophets. We talk about young prophets and also minor prophets, the major prophets, and even prophets of the Bible, prophets like Enoch. We teach about all of that as well. So this is an all-inclusive bundle put together specifically for you prophetic preachers, you prophetic teachers, and those who are called upon on a regular basis to deliver the prophetic word of God to the people of God, and those who are tasked with also releasing the prophetic word, a global prophetic word to congregations as well. This is for you if that is you. I'm telling you, it's going to bless you. And as soon as you put in your investment, then you will get access to the student portal, and all of the courses will be revealed, unveiled right then at that moment. You'll get a login and password that gives you access to all of that. You can take at your own pace. That I'm telling you, it's going to bless you, it's going to help you. So take the time, enroll, and register today.